Okay, so today I want to try out if we can actually get rid of this here. So we want to descale my dog's bowl, and we have like a lot of sediment and minerals in the water, as you can see here. Now let's just see if we can actually get rid of that by just using vinegar. So the only thing we're gonna use is actually vinegar. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put that on some, let's just put that on some kitchen towel, and then we rub it there, and then we let it sit for like 20 minutes, and then we should see if it does its job or not. I'm maybe gonna off camera fill this one here up a little bit with some drops of vinegar, and then that should help, but I'm rubbing the rest here. And okay, so I filled it up with some vinegar here. It's just a little bit, and now let's just see what it does. We have a spot here where you see that we have a lot of sediments in here, and now let's just see what happens. Okay, actually I just waited 5 minutes, and then I was rubbing it again, and you see after 5 minutes everything is gone. So indeed, it's true, you can get rid of these minerals from the water if they spill to, in this case, to your stainless steel dog water bowl, and it looks like brand new.